Hello guys! So, ngayon yung gagawin natin is we'll be unboxing our wedding gift. So, sa mga nagregalo, thank you so much for all the gifts that you have given to us and for all the love you have showered to us. So, ngayon, isa-isay natin yung mga gift nila. From to Sol and Drew, from Ninong and Nina, Viola, okay. Thank you, Nina.
From Waldo and
Ninang. Thank you. Next, to Drew and Sol from Tia Flo. Thank you. Next, best wishes from Malu, Dagami, and family. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Maglinis. Thank you. May panglaban na si Sol. This one is from... Walang nakalagay. Wala. Kung sino man ito.
May nag-gift. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Nice.
May pang kape-kape na. Yay! Thank you. Ito ay galing kay walang...
Kuya yan.
Ay, Kuya. Ayun, bigat Kuya. May blender. Tama. May blender. Thank you, Kuya. Tama nga fruit juice, diba? Shakes.
For a healthy
Thank you, Kuya. Okay, this is from Kuya JR and Ma'am Sher. Hello, Kuya JR. Kung nga pala, Kuya JR is may page siya, Facebook page. Friend mo to PH. So kung hindi pa nga nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe na. Kayo Kuya, ang ganda pa ng pagkaka-package niya. Parang ayaw kong sirain na. So may blender na, pwede tayo may mag-shake, lagyan ng mga bottles. Ito na. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Kuya
Ma'am.
and Ma'am Shed. Thank you.
Okay, this is from
Wishing you lots of love and happiness from Nino and
Eddie
Eddie.
Potente. Thank you, Ninong. Casa.
Wow,
Set. Thank
Nice.
you. This is from Nina and Nino Amiral Limo. Congratulations on best results. Thank you, Ninong Nina. Let's check. Tamang-tama lang sa kwarto. Thank you po. Net. Kaibigan ni Nanay. Okay.
Okay.
Salamat sa
Thank you, Ate
pag-gift.
Netnet.
Thank you po. Wow, lakas mo kasi siya. Oh, para naman maiba.
Iba naman.
Jana, pili ka naman isa. Ano nga natin? Pili ka isa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Pili ka isa. This one is from... Bigat ha? From John Baby. Okay, Master. Yung isang room siya. Thank you, Master. Oy! Pasabuto na! Thank you! Non-sticky? Non-sticky. Thank you, Master! Utang wala, sulichi. Follow. Diba ka ba i-follow mo sa akin? Ano naman, Lee? Pili ka isa.
Hey, come here.
Thank you, Master. Ito yung import namin from Manila.
Pili ako ng isa.
Yes, you have to pick one.
Ito ay galing from Lance.
Lance! Thank you, Lance!
May for talaga yung ano.
Groomsman ko Parang bigat, Lance Electric toaster. Thank you, Lance. Hoping that this will give you comfort. I love you both. From...
Feeling ko. Alam ko lang pamilya.
Ano ito?
Kay Bajay.
Bajay? Sherwin. Okay. Bajay, Sherwin. Totoo ba sa'yo to? Magparamdam ka.
Penmanship pala.
Clear. Effort na effort si Bajay Uy, bedsheet! Takta lang
We
sa
will really find one. Nice bedsheet.
Thank you, Bajay! What's this?
Thanks, Bajay.
From Yasko family.
Sina.
Tinina, hello, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you po, Ninang. Okay, ano po? Bigas na lang. Thank you so much. This is from Ana, Mian, Ben, and Martes Group. Oh, may grupo talaga ha. Kaibigan ni Mama, thank you po.
Marites Group.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Marites.
Marites. Sa aming mga anak,
Wow.
Blackto families, thank you. Tamang-tama para sa akin. Para sa akin yata. Thank you, babies. Congratulations on the installation. Wow, thank you mga ma'am, mga sirs.
Yung dating department ko, ELE and ESP department. Thank you.
Ganda mag-alaga ng department.
Salas, Live, Anne,
Special
Ma'am
thanks.
Emily, Ma'am April, thank you.
Thank you so much. Parang may initan na tayo, may pangkape na, may tasa na. May magre-regalo ba ng kape? Ay, plato. Ito na yata yung plato ah. Para, kapag, kanino to? Kanino ka man, thank you so much for the effort. Yun nga, please. Diba? Diba? Ito na nga ako. Thank you, kung kanino ka man.
Sayang mo ng pangalan.
From
Bajay!
Bajay, Jessica, and Francis.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bajay, Francis. Nag-effort din kayo talaga.
Ay, scooper! Oh, kompleto na! Kompleto na!
Wow! Thank you, Bajay, Francis.
Thank you so much, Bajay, Francis. Pare, salamat. From Ninang Bilmay. Ninang, thank you, thank you. Inay, kung ano man to, salamat.
Oh!
Ooh, steamer! Steamer, right? Uy, thank you! Complete set na kami sa kitchen. Thank you, Inay! O, konti na lang, 4 na lang. Dito tayo. Pagod na yun natin, photographer mo. Ito. From Sam and Simmer.
Kay Kuya Sam.
Thank you.
Bye, family. Thank you.
Hoy, may pa.
Rice cooker.
Thank you so much. Ay. Salamat po.
Salamat, Kuya Sam. Sila yung nagpahiram sa atin ng
Service pala. Thank you for sponsoring our transportation. This is from
Ay, si Christine.
Christine Bartolino.
Si Tin. Thank you, Tin.
Thank you.
Nakatulong naman.
Parang
Regalo ka ba?
where absence makes presence.
Yes.
Wow! Ah, napaka-sosyal.
Nice. Thank you, Tin.
Healthy living na ba? Healthy living? Thank you so much.
Tin, love you.
Okay, ito kay best wishes and congratulations from Hawaii National.
Sa Primary Department. Yay!
Thank you so much. Dalawang representative sa anyo nyo, ha?
Ito yung present department ko kayo.
Thank you guys. Thank you for
Ma'am Fres, Ruben, Rosalie, Ma'am Jessica, and Sir Aldo. Thank you. Thank you for the thoughtfulness.
disorganized. Oh, tama lang. May mga lagyan na tayo ng plato. Kompleto na talaga. Parang nag-usap-usap yung lahat na.
Thank you. Primary Department.
Thank you so much, mga ma'am, sir. Ah, ito sigurado kailangan namin, hindi kami nakabili. Alam ko na to eh.
Oro kanya.
Okay, from... Natin yung pangalan. From... Walang pangalan, pero kung sino na to, thank you so much. Salamat po. Isa po to sa mga kailangan namin. Talaga wala kami ganito. Balak pa lang bumili. Guys, thank you. Salamat! Guys! Tapos na po, wala na. Pero kung gusto niyo pa magpahabol pa ng gifts, pwede pa po. Tumatanggap po hanggang next year. De, sa aming mga friends, family, Tito Nino, Minang, thank you so much for all the gifts and love that you have given to us. So thank you so much. Okay, see you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you!